Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you what exactly Discord Nitro is. So let's go ahead and open our Discord app and go ahead and hit the top left 3 lines and you'll see this screen. Now let's go to the bottom right and choose your profile. Now what we want to do is scroll all the way down until you see Get Nitro. Now, Nitro is basically a subscription service for an enhanced experience on Discord. Right here it says it starts at $9.99 a month, and then underneath it will tell you what is included in Nitro, and you can basically customize a lot of your profile icons and themes and avatars and such, and you can customize an emoji, and then you will also see better video resolutions, increased upload sizes. You can join double the servers than you did before, and then it's going to increase character count from 2,000 to 4,000, and you have custom stickers anywhere. And if you keep going down, it actually has a Nitro Classic, which is a cheaper version, but you still get some exclusive features. This one is $4.99 a month, and you will get some customization for your profile with an exclusive badge, 30% off server boost, custom animated emoji, increased upload size, and you can share your screen up to 180p and up to 60 frames per second. So there are 2 options here. If you want everything, it's going to be $9.99 a month. If you want just a couple of things to try it out, then you should choose the $4.99 a month. And once you do that, you'll just go ahead and hit the subscribe. I have to verify my account still, so it's not going to let me, but you will go through the process of subscribing through that. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If it did, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.